Hello, I'm a college student currently doing my final years in Bachelors of Information Technology, and this is how much money I made in the last 1 year as a student. So today I'm going to share with you how I made 2,15,000 rupees as a student and how any student can make this money while being in the college. So there are two main sources of income that brought me this amount as a total. The first source of my income is my stipend, and the second one is the cash prize that I won in a hackathon. So I'm going to break down both of these things in detail. So I'm doing an internship in a software company since the third year of my college. It's a paid internship, so I got my stipend every month while doing the internship. So the internship is mainly based on Android app development. So I worked with the team to build an app and the company just pay me for doing that. My stipend got created on monthly basis. So I started doing this internship in the beginning of my third year, and currently I am in my final years. So it's almost a year now. So in the first 6 months of doing the internship, the company paid me 15,000 rupees per month. In the next 6 months, it increased to 20,000. And in between that period, I take 1.5 months as a break to attend my final semester exams. So adding up all those things, I made 1,80,000 rupees as a total from my stipend. Moving on to the next income source, it's a cash prize that I won in a hackathon. So while doing the internship, me and my friend find a hackathon where we have to build an app in 1 day. And we decided to give it a shot. So we participated in the hackathon and we won third prize. The first prize for the hackathon was 2 lakhs, and the second prize was 1 lakh, and the third prize was 50,000. And adding to that, they also gave an Amazon gift voucher of worth 20,000. So on a total, we made 70,000 rupees from the hackathon. It might sound simple, but the hackathon was open for everyone. So professionals was there building their apps. It definitely wasn't that easy, but we won the third prize. So we split the amount and I got my share of 35,000. So combining both these incomes, I got a total of 2,15,000 rupees as my income in the last 1 year. One thing that you might or might not be noticed is that all of my income streams are mainly based on app development. And app development can be just learned from the college, right? Well, that might be true for some other people, but definitely not in my case. I went back to my home after just 6 months of joining the college because of the lockdown and the COVID. I just went back to the college after entering into my third year, which means I wasn't in the college for almost 1.5 years. In that period, the colleges were conducting online classes, and I personally felt online classes are definitely not my thing. So I decided to learn all these things by myself. I started watching tutorials on YouTube, which are 10 and 12 hours long, to understand the basics of app development. Then after completing those tutorials, I started to build my own apps. I practiced a lot, I created a lot of projects, created a medicine reminder, a personal reminder, a quiz app. You know, if you had a look at my phone at the time, my entire phone is just filled with that projects. So that definitely helped me to land an internship after just entering into the third year. You might think app development requires high performing computers and all those things, but I started app development with my i3 processor and 8GB RAM. To be honest, that's totally fine to just get started. So if you are a student trying to earn while you are studying, first improve your skill sets. There are tons and tons of tutorials out there. Just find the thing that you love to do and just start doing that from today. There are a lot of other ways to earn money from app development, like freelancing, build your own app and place in-app purchases and place ads and get ad revenue from it, and there are many more ways. But first you need to improve your skill sets to build your own apps. You can literally learn anything for free in the internet, and that's why you should watch this video to understand how I learned app development all by myself just by using the internet. Alright then, that's going to be it for this video. Take care.